In the ever-evolving world of AI, there's always that one moment when a new model enters the arena, causing a stir. Enter Grok 3, the new heavy hitter from xAI, the company founded by Elon Musk. Musk, alongside 3 of xAI's engineers, recently announced this groundbreaking model which they claim is a game-changer. But what makes Grok 3 so special, and how does it compare to the big players in the AI space? Let's dive into the details. Grok 3, a monster of power. Let's talk numbers first because that's where the magic happens. According to xAI, Grok 3 is an order of magnitude better than its predecessor, Grok 2. What does that mean? In simple terms, it's about 10 times more powerful. Imagine that, 10 times the capability, the speed, and the processing power. xAI trained Grok 3 in a massive data center located in Memphis, Tennessee, with a staggering 200,000 graphics processing units. That's not a data center, that's more like a supercomputer. Picture this, rows upon rows of GPUs working day and night, crunching data, learning, and improving. It's no surprise that some folks have started calling this data center the Colossus supercomputer. This massive infrastructure is the backbone that supports Grok 3's advanced capabilities, and it's fueling the AI's potential to outperform its competitors. The battle of the AIs. How does Grok 3 stack up? We've all heard of OpenAI's GPT-4, Google's Gemini, and DeepMind's cutting-edge AI models. So how does Grok 3 measure up against these industry giants? According to xAI's internal benchmarks, Grok 3 excels in key areas like math, science, coding, and problem solving. In fact, it beats these competitors in tests like AIM, a math competition benchmark, and GPQA, which tests AI's ability to answer PhD-level questions in subjects like physics, biology, and chemistry. The results speak for themselves. Grok 3 is more than just a chatbot. It's a powerhouse designed to handle complex queries, tackle tough problems, and offer insightful answers. Even the smaller versions of Grok 3 are performing exceptionally well on platforms like Chatbot Arena, where real human votes determine which AI model reigns supreme. A family of AI, meet Grok 3's variants. Grok 3 isn't just a one-size-fits-all AI model. xAI has designed an entire family of models under the Grok 3 umbrella, including Grok 3 Reasoning, Grok 3 Mini, and Grok 3 Reasoning Plus. Each of these models serves a specific purpose, catering to different user needs. The reasoning models, for example, are tailored for more complex thought processes. These models are capable of chain-of-thought prompting, which means they can explain their reasoning step by step before providing an answer. While this might sound like a great feature for transparency, xAI has hidden certain aspects of Grok's reasoning process to prevent data theft, something other AI developers are known for doing. So, if you were hoping to peek inside Grok's mind, you might be out of luck. What can Grok 3 do for you? Now you might be wondering, what exactly can Grok 3 do? Well, the answer is a lot. Grok 3 is integrated into X, the social media platform formerly known as Twitter, and it's also available through a dedicated website, grok.com, and iOS app. For those with X's Premium Plus subscription, accessing Grok 3 is as easy as signing in and getting started. But wait, there's more. For those looking for an even more powerful experience, xAI has introduced something called Super Grok. This premium tier, available on both the mobile app and the website, offers advanced features like deep search, which scans the internet, and X's own data to provide detailed summaries. You can even narrow down your search to specific websites, making it an invaluable tool for research-heavy tasks. There's also Big Brain Mode, which instructs Grok 3 to spend more time thinking before providing an answer. This is particularly useful for tackling complex science or coding questions, where a deeper level of reasoning is required. And for those of you who love convenience, Musk has promised that voice interaction will be coming soon, allowing users to speak to Grok 3 and receive responses in a synthesized voice. It's a whole new level of AI interaction. Grok 3 in action, advanced math, science, and more. In one of the demos, Grok 3 was seen mapping out a hypothetical space mission from Earth to Mars, a fitting showcase considering Musk's other major venture, SpaceX. The AI also demonstrated its ability to code a game that was described as a mix between Tetris and Bejeweled, If you're a game developer or just love experimenting with AI, Grok 3 could be a lot of fun to play with. But that's not all. Grok 3 was also shown solving advanced math and science problems in real time. It's clear that this AI isn't just for chatting. It's a serious problem-solving machine. And with the ability to produce images and analyze them, Grok 3 is stepping into the multimodal AI world alongside GPT-4 and Google's Gemini. Whether you're looking to solve problems or generate visual content, Grok 3 has you covered, a fierce competitor in the AI arms race. With all these features, Grok 3 is positioning itself as a direct competitor to OpenAI and Google in the AI race. Musk recently made waves by filing lawsuits against OpenAI, accusing them of straying from their founding principles. He even offered to buy OpenAI's nonprofit arm for a whopping $974 billion, a deal that Sam Altman, OpenAI's CEO, rejected. The tension between Musk and OpenAI is palpable, and now with Grok 3, Musk has made it clear that he's not just going to sit idly by. But xAI isn't only targeting OpenAI. With deep-pocketed players like Google and the Chinese AI powerhouse DeepMind in the mix, the competition is heating up. DeepMind recently open-sourced its R1 model, a bold move that could shake up the AI landscape. Musk, on the other hand, has said that xAI will open-source Grok 3 once it's mature and stable. This means that we might see Grok 3's full potential unleashed for the world to explore, and it could open the doors for new players to enter the AI race. The high price of AI development. Building AI models like Grok 3 doesn't come cheap. Along with the massive GPU data center in Memphis, xAI is rumored to be in talks with Dell Technologies for a $5 billion deal to acquire more AI-optimized servers. And with companies like SoftBank, Oracle, and OpenAI also investing billions into AI infrastructure, we're witnessing a full-blown AI arms race. These companies are pouring massive sums into building faster and more powerful computing systems to stay ahead of the curve. Grok 3's political edge. Will it stay neutral? One of the more interesting aspects of Grok 3 is its approach to political content. When Musk first launched the Grok family, he promised that it would be unfiltered and capable of diving into topics that other AIs avoided. But testers found that Grok and Grok 2 still had some restrictions when it came to political or controversial queries. Musk has explained this as being a result of the dataset Grok was trained on, which contains its own biases. He emphasized that xAI aims to make Grok as politically neutral as possible. Will Grok 3 follow through on this promise? It remains to be seen. People will undoubtedly test it to see if it leans left, right, or stays firmly in the center. Grok 3's availability, Android users left waiting. Currently, the dedicated Grok app is only available on iOS, which may be a disappointment for Android users. However, Grok 3 is still accessible within the main X app on Android devices, so you won't be entirely left out. While there's no official word yet on when an Android version of the app will roll out, Musk and the xAI team have made it clear that they're constantly improving Grok and pushing out updates. Grok 3 for business, a game changer for enterprises. Aside from personal use, Grok 3 is also making waves in the business world. In the coming weeks, Grok 3 will be available through xAI's Enterprise API, allowing companies to integrate its powerful capabilities into their platforms. Whether you're in finance, coding, or research, Grok 3's advanced features could revolutionize how you work. Potential applications include code generation, debugging, fraud detection, data analysis, and even medical diagnostics, provided all necessary regulatory steps are followed. And that's a wrap on the mighty Grok 3. If you're as blown away by its power as we are, hit that like button before Grok solves the mystery of why you're still watching and not subscribing. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss out on more AI madness. Because let's face it, who wouldn't want to keep up with a robot that's smarter than us? Catch you in the next one, where we dive into the future of AI, or whatever else Elon's cooking up.